Buongiorno!
Buongiorno means good morning.
Buongiorno from halfway up Mount Etna.
We got Easy, we got Marco, we got cousin Louisa, and we got baby Leah, who I think is asleep on Marco's back. We are currently walking up a 2,000% incline to the second crater of Mount Etna, which obviously is not live. That one's live though over there. We're gonna go there soon. Today is Ferragosto. So that means something August. It's a big day that everybody gets off. So we thought, oh, let's go out of town and go and climb a freaking volcano. From what I've heard, it's to like celebrate the halfway of the year. It's kind of like the halfway of New Year's sort of thing. Crater number 2. There's crater number 1. Here is like all of Sicily. That's the ocean. That's a gondola that goes to the top, and they use that in the winter for freaking snowboarding because it snows here. I didn't know they had snowboarding here. That's pretty sweet. And that is the mouth of Mount Etna. All these clouds are coming from it. I feel like I'm walking on the moon right now. This is like one of the most insane Mercedes I've ever seen. It's literally a Volcano cruiser. This thing is sick. Look at the freaking size of these wheels. We are now at 2,600 meters and it is already a lot harder to breathe. I mean, Easy makes it look easy. She's just cruising along. They're just lazy. But you're a little tired? You're gonna go back now, okay? Ciao. You okay, puppy? You're doing good. 2,700 meters, let's keep going. March, march, march. Marco here is a fantastic, hardworking guy. Easy this way, up the giant hill. Future Thomas here. The wind was so strong that I have to voice over this part. We had finally made it to the highest accessible point on the volcano, we including this amazing little dog named Easy. This is an inactive crater. That is where it's active, but you can't get up there. Now you're probably wondering, Thomas, it's about time you go and see the real volcano with your drone. Yeah, that isn't happening because it's way too windy. I'm so tempted to use the drone that I totally lied and I'm gonna try. It's so windy. If I lose my drone, well, I mean, shit happens. I've been super lucky in Sicily so far with my drone, so hopefully I am right now as well. We'll see how it goes. Two times now I've flown it, and as soon as I get about 130 meters away, I lose transmission signal. So we're gonna try a third time and see how it goes. Fly, baby, fly. It's doing it, it's doing it. There's no rules. Don't be scared, just trust me. Take my hand any minute now. It's much cooler than you'd think up here, so we're getting in our jog, going all the way down. Come on, Easy. That's a good girl. Obviously that's the sky, and this is the ocean. Can't even tell the difference. It's awesome. Ready to go home, Easy? Do you want me to drone us while we're going home? Just in the street forever. Just
dropped off a little early because cousin Louisa mentioned what is apparently the best gelato place in Taormina. The place is called Gelato Mania. Now this place is crazy for ice cream. They had like a bajillion different flavors, and one of them was white chocolate. They knew what they were doing. White chocolate's my weakness. This is the largest one I could get because I wanted a lot of it. It's time to go back and get freshened up so I can enjoy my last night here with my cousin and her family. Finish up The Godfather because I fell sick before, and just have a good night. I have Volcano feet. Now we got the Nintendo going, so I'm gonna play that before we finish up The Godfather. Here we go! Was sucking at this game killed me, and now I've gone like 3 levels undefeated. You're laughing, which means I'm screwed. No! First thing I do is die. I think that the vlog is bad luck because whenever I have this thing going, I just die. Are you ready? Oh my goodness, wow. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, goodness. Okay, cool. Awesome. No! Give me all the monies. Oh, my God. Okay, that was pure luck there. No! I made a boo-boo. Game over. Good night.
Bye. I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse.
Just wanted to take a shower, and this little guy is chilling in here. How you doing?